So I have this old Granada, and the guts are all missing out of it. The tone arm's gone. But I came up with this idea, what with all these vacuum cleaner hoses hanging around my garage, to hook one in through the board here, and it goes directly into the tone arm. And I put a little grease around the sleeve of the tone arm to kind of capture some of that sound. And it goes all the way through this vacuum cleaner hose and into the mouth. This just happened to fit down in here, nice and snug. Goes into the mouth of this VV44, which is pretty much a Granada. And it still has the horn inside of it. So we'll see what happens here. Got an old Victor scroll. This is a Rudy Valley. It's about wore out, so it's hard telling what it'll sound like. How about that, huh?
More than I can say, dear. Daytime, nighttime, nothing I do can make me forget that I still love you. Wondering why we had to break up.
Mm-hmm.